Hello, this is Brett from Survival Comms. Lots of people complain about their factory antenna on their portable radio. And today, with just a couple of very cheap items, I'm going to show you how you can make your factory antenna not suck. These make great field deployable counterpoises. Stainless steel bicycle shifter cable. It's got this nice little lead end on it to keep it from poking your eye out. So, lay it out. For VHF, 19 inches is fine. Take yourself a good pair of cutters. Transect your cable. Take your cable, take a red 1/4 inch ring terminal. Slide your cable over it. You want just the slightest amount of your conductor exposed. And make a solid crown. Radio used in testing today will be just a generic ICOM ICT70A. The antenna is going to be the factory antenna. To install one of these counterpoises, all you have to do is move the antenna, place the ring terminal over top of the SMA connector or underneath it if it's a radio that uses a connector on the bottom. That's all there is to it. Equipped like this, all it does is it just adds the missing element of the antenna, which is an effective counterpoise. What's nice about using the stainless steel cable is you can fold the thing up like this and it does not take a set. Meaning that even after you tie it up and leave it in a coil like this, it doesn't take a set. Whereas one made of conventional hookup wire takes a set after being coiled up. And here's the portable radio equipped thus. And as you can see, the stainless cable makes for a much nicer drape. And here's the portable radio equipped with the hookup wire. And this is good hookup wire. I mean, this is Teflon insulated wire. But you can kind of see how it kind of curves around on itself. And it does have some effect on reflected power measurements. Whether or not that's relevant to real world performance is pretty much up in the air, and it's kind of splitting hairs to consider it. So, but the stainless cable, in my opinion, makes for a much nicer counterpoise. Here's a signal being sent by my signal generator to the portable radio with the standard antenna connected to it. And this is the same signal with the counterpoise attached.
Thursday.
This is reception without the counterpoise.
Northwest around 10 knots in the afternoon. Bay and inland waters.
And reception with the counterpoise.
Scattered thunderstorms in the evening. Then isolated.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. Here's VHF and at UHF. So in closing, you want to make your factory antenna not suck. Get yourself some hookup wire and a red 1/4 inch ring terminal. Grip it together and you're good to go. I hope this helps. This is Brett from Survival Comms. Till next time.